National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coshocton County, northern Muskingum County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Utica, or 9 miles north of Newark, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Coshocton, West Lafayette, North Zanesville, Dresden, Fredericksburg, Warsaw, Pleasant Grove, Conesville, Nellie, Norwich, Bridgeville. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 157 and 167. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio.